Derek, could you explain to me why the NGenTec's technology is so novel?
It's novel because it is down to the timing. The marketplace today is wide open for anyone who can supply some new technology into wind turbines. They are just launching major wind farms offshore, and therefore there's a huge demand. Our technology reduces the through-life cost, the kilowatt-hour cost of producing electricity, by approximately 18%. And more importantly, perhaps, it is more inherently reliable through, say, a 20-year life of a turbine.
Why have you been so critical in the past of venture capitalists?
I've been critical of the UK because we had a Dutch investor who specifically focuses on early stage pre-revenue companies. The ones we saw in the UK are all very excited and interested, but they want to come in when we have 1 or 2 orders. At that stage it will cost them a lot more money.
Why should venture capitalists come into the clean energy sector when there are so many other sectors they could go into?
There are, but this is a growth sector. The next 10 years you're expecting a CAGR, compound annual growth rate, of 28% in offshore wind. So this is an exciting area where clearly higher margins and returns can be earned by investors because there is a huge demand in the next 10-20 years.
Who do you see as NGenTec's customers?
Very good question, because the main wind farms themselves will be owned by companies like Scottish Power, EDF, who will place orders with turbine manufacturers. They will provide the tower with the generator, and we aim to be the supplier of the generator to the turbine manufacturers, who then contract directly with the owner of the wind farm.
How do you see the future for NGenTec? It sounds good.
We've made a good start. There are several challenges ahead. One is we have to prove that the 1 megawatt full scale works, and people can touch it and believe in it. The other, we have to get our industrial partnership working well, because at the end of the day, they are the ones who are going to build it, and any customer that buys the generator will want to be sure that this is built to the highest quality of engineering. And thirdly, we need to raise a bit more money yet to actually commercialise the company to complete independence financially.
NGenTec is part of the Edinburgh Science Triangle. How important is a community like that?
We wouldn't be here today if Marcus Muller hadn't been encouraged by people in that community in 2005 and 6, when he invented the idea of the CGen and thought this could be something that could actually be the best generator, the lowest cost generator in the marketplace. And throughout the last 5 years we've had tremendous support and lots of ideas and support from Heriot-Watt and from Edinburgh University and from the area. And now as we start to recruit engineers, we've got a natural supply of engineers within the Edinburgh area who want to join an engineering company that's got very successful plans.